NVIDIA wasn't the only stock that got in their bag in the first half of this year. A, well, lesser known stock is Marvell Technology. And what they do, they provide data infrastructure, semiconductor solutions spanning the data center core to network edge. Keyword data center. That's where it's at right now. Let's get into the article from MarketBeat before we talk about the analysis and where price is heading next. Chipmaker Marvell sees AI revenue soaring in the coming years. So while AI spending on the rise by giants such as Google, Microsoft, other chip makers besides Juggernaut and NVIDIA are set to benefit. One of the companies is Marvell Technology, which expects its AI chip revenue to double in the current year, and then again in fiscal 2025. Marvell makes chips used in cars, industrial applications, wireless networks, automobiles, data centers, and data storage gear. In the first quarter, data center was its largest end market. Again, data center, driving 33% of total revenue. Enterprise networking was the next largest with 27% of total revenue, followed by wireless carrier infrastructure, consumer products, and the auto industrial. In the first quarter conference call, CEO Matt Murphy elaborated upon the vast potential for AI. Given the speed at which AI infrastructure is advancing, the technology refresh rate is happening at 18 to 24 months versus 4+ years in standard infrastructure, he said. He added that the company expects the massive deployment of AI to be a major demand driver for Marvell's PAM4 digital signal processor platform, which was designed to deliver high bandwidth optical connectivity for AI. We have seen a rapid shift in our cloud customer plans for spending on AI infrastructure, becoming a much bigger portion of their capex, Murphy said, adding that Marvell is one of the scarce few semiconductor companies uniquely able to participate in all three aspects of AI systems: networking, compute, which refers to the processing of data, and performance of calculations and storage. All right, so why did NVIDIA scream higher in the first half of the year? Again, data centers, in particular AI, to compute all that computation, it's being done in the cloud. And we saw NVIDIA just run with the baton with the intro to ChatGPT. But this is just the first inning. And any company that's supporting this revolution, this decade, is going to benefit. And one of them is Marvell. So just quickly going to the daily chart. This was the earnings on May 25th, and the stock just gapped higher, $10+ on the day. And in the process, it did breach the daily resistance band at $48. The best buy was below sub 40, right? We'll go to the monthly chart so you can see that. And why was this such a great level? Well, you had a rally in price. You had a couple of basic candles in the rally out. Price came back, dipped its toes in the zone, and then shot higher. So it only made sense when price returned. You had a lot of unfilled buy orders from the institutions on Wall Street just waiting to get their portfolio filled with Marvell stocks. Now, yes, it did trickle for 4 or 5 months, but the name of the game is to buy low, sell high, right? This is the accumulation phase. This is the distribution phase. This is discount. This is wholesale. All right. Now, what's interesting to note is that earnings is coming out in August 25th. We can see this huge, take this off here, this huge basing, range bound, sideways price action since earnings. I anticipated price pulling back before moving higher, but price just drifted sideways. Again, it was allowing some of the moving averages to catch up. At that time, none of the moving averages caught up. Now you have 3 out of 5 according to the daily chart here, and the red being the 50-day moving average. You have your momentum moving averages kind of trending sideways. Again, denoting the sideways price action. Now I'm going to go up to the weekly chart. So, a breakout is inevitable. I believe it's going to be to the upside. I have a target at 77.50. That's daily sellers. Let's look at the zone on the daily chart. Now it's not fresh. Price came back to the zone not once but twice. So I anticipate price penetrating the zone a bit more. If there's any unfilled sell orders, it's going to be above the $78 level. It's going to be interesting. Will we see a gap like we did back in May? Probably not. I think Wall Street has adjusted their earnings, their growth models, not only for NVIDIA but Marvell as well. But it will be interesting. I do anticipate price drifting sideways until late August, and that's when the fireworks are going to happen. If you haven't put Marvell on your watch list, I advise you to do so. They're going to handsomely benefit from the AI revolution this decade. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.